The next thing is the sticker here. As you can see, there is some sticker here. So once you click on the sticker here, nothing is on the sticker panel. But if you click add new, you can see there are stickers there. So let's just reduce the size of this little hand down. And you can see some animation that we can apply to the stickers here. If you want to have the heartbeat or the pulse or the quake, rotate, pendulum adds another blink here. You can always click any of this one here. And just try it out and play and see. Now, as you can see, this is the marker indicating when the sticker will be appearing and disappearing. So you can always move to, if you want to go to the beginning, you can always move to the beginning, and you can extend this all the way to the end of the clip so you can have the sticker. There are other stickers as well here. You can change that. Now, take note that if you click on a new sticker, it changes, replace the old one. So what you can do here, once you select that, click on add new sticker. So when you add new sticker, you're adding another sticker to it. So you can see. So if you just want to select another one, you're gonna change the same, but you have to click on the add new sticker to change the sticker. And once you are done, click done.